Hey guys, we are officially going to move the camper today, so that's super exciting. We're all really excited about it. Maria hasn't even seen the camper yet, so this is her first time ever seeing it, so that's really exciting too. I'm gonna go pick up Maya. We're taking my dad's truck because Ray's dad's gonna drive the camper out there with my dad's truck, and then he's gonna park it for us. So yeah, I packed myself a bag. I just have everything like water, towel, bathing suit in case we decide to tan. And yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my hat, an oversized shirt just with I'm in like a line shorts, my Etsy bra, and then I'll be wearing my Crocs. So I'm leaving right now. I'm gonna go pick up Maya. I'm gonna have to drive the truck. So hopefully it goes fine. Hey. We're all together now. We're at Ray's now and her dad is gonna drive the truck. And he's gonna go get our camper. And then we're just gonna vlog and take you along, get Ray's reaction.
It's gonna look fucked, I think.
The floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, something happened. Wait, you explain. I don't know what happened.
I think just because it was so cold, the flooring just like split, basically. That's it.
But we had plans of like redoing the flooring anyways.
Yeah, we're going to.
So it doesn't really affect us. So yeah, we're gonna leave. Maya's papa's house is like 30 minutes away?
Yeah.
Like 30, 35? Around that. So we have to go there first, grab our trailer because that's where we had it parked for the nighttime, what the fuck? For the winter time. And then after we grab it, we're gonna go down the highway to Lake Deboney. Cheers. Yay.
So excited to tan.
Yeah, and then we brought bathing suits and stuff to tan. And it will be super duper fun.
Super duper.
See y'all in a jiffy.
Hey guys, so we made it. This is the lot. Pretty big. You know, coming on the Tramper.
Oh yeah, right there. Literally walk back and forth.
So there's Rhea's cabin.
And then they have their camper there too.
And then
Well, what's down here? A fun trail to explore one day when we're absolutely blacked out of our fucking minds.
we are camper owners. Yes, sir. We know what. So we're in the camper. It's dirty as hell. There's flies. They're everywhere. But you know, we're just gonna clean it out.
Our floor also cracked, but that's fine.
Yeah. But we're gonna try to match what we have here.
Of course, Ray is so fucking far.
Oh my god. So we are where the fuck are we? We're at the beach. Water's cold as fuck, so we're not going swimming. The sun was out, but it's not anymore, so we're gonna maybe tan. But yeah,
Maybe we're gonna tan.
we'll see. We'll see.
Okay, I'm taking a video showing the site. Okay, so this is the Tramper. So you walk in. We set it up as a table right now, so it's big, super nice. And then the color of those flooring, well, the flooring broke, and we're gonna redo it with all of that flooring. But this is the table. We're changing that also. Air conditioning. This is a bunk bed, but we're too big to go. And then this. And then put that back. And then TV on a swivel. Ching, ching. And then this pulls out to like make a room kind of. And then the back. Storage in there. Bathroom. Random shoe. And bathroom. We have like random stuff we kind of need to clean and fix, but yeah. Okay, hey everybody. We're gonna go back to the camper today, which is good, which is great because in the last clips we really did nothing. Like I was watching it back and I'm like, what did we even do in this video? So today we're gonna go and we're gonna replace the floor, so it's gonna be a bit more eventful, and we're also bringing all the things that Cass and Maya bought for the camper to the camper. So Cass is loading up the truck with her dad, and she's gonna come get me, then we're gonna go get Maya, then we're gonna go get McGriddles because I want that so bad. And yeah, it should be fun. Okay, we filled up the truck with all the stuff from Maya's. We'll give you a little haul when we get there. But now we're gonna go to Dollarama and McDonald's. Here's our McDonald's. I got chicken McGriddle with the caramel iced coffee and a hash brown. Maya.
I got the same thing, but no caramel iced coffee.
I got a regular iced coffee and a bacon, an egg McGriddle, and hash brown. Cheers. It's the one with like this strip. So we went to Ken's, didn't get anything. We went with no dimensions, really no idea of what we even needed at all. So that's really good. We did that. So we're gonna, and we also almost went all the way there without the key to the camper, so that's really smart of us. We are going to Home Depot has now we're in Home Depot. Round 2, we got the keys. Looking for, yeah, we're doing that. Oh no. Hey. Show us trick. That was so much brain power. Use your brain power. We secured the flooring. We secured the flooring from Home Depot, and now we're going to the cabin. So I'll see you there. Oh my god, it's so stable, guys.
Me on like
Hey.
welcome to my crib.
Smoke some, drink some power. 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 Smoke some, drink some power.
Anyways. Okay, we're in here and we're gonna rip this out with our bare hands. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
See, you guys can see.
Oh, we gotta take good before and
It's gonna get ripped the fuck out. She's gonna take it out.
what the fuck is this? You know, man. So all this is gonna come off. So what we decided to do is to just take that off, what they have, because it's on top of this. So we need to take all of this off and then just redo all of it with the flooring we got. So good job. Yeah, get into it. Ow!
Injury. That's why you gotta wear gloves.
Oh, you cut yourself?
See? Already, yeah. Well, I smashed it on this
Oh, injury.
this thing here, so.
No.
No.
No biggie.
No biggie.
No biggie.
Hold on.
Yo!
Check it out. It's coming out now.
Injury! No! That's a big one right now. Oh no. Dad, injury.
She be playing around too.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so we basically took out everything, as you can see. It's all over here. It's all the flooring. Now we just gotta sweep and, you know.
The bathroom was really hard to do. Like, there was
Yeah.
so many like crevices. Mixing. You have to put it opposite. Like push it. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah.
We are done for the day. This is what we got done. Next time we will finish all the corners and stuff, but it looks good. Okay, bitches. So
Yeah! You fucking said it! I love it.
we are back. We didn't finish. Well, we did like we did like majority, but there's still like some cracks and crevices that we're gonna leave up to my dad because.
And the bathroom's like fucked. Like you have to go around like the toilet and shit. And that's just like too much.
So much. But it's still a productive day.
Yeah. So productive.
We might continue on this vlog when it's done, or we might just not. So who knows? We'll see. Bye.